Hey there! Welcome to the Secret Search edition of Imaginext Jurassic World. Claire and Owen have stashed away 5 Dino chew toys inside the park. They look just like this. See how many you can find. Ready? Let's go!
Hey! Hup, hup.
Ooh, there's one. See it? All right.
Yeah! Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Hey!
Aha! Did you see it? Right there. See it now? Good job!
Bye!
Hey, Claire!
Uh-huh. Bye!
Hey, Claire! Hey!
Oh!
Bye!
Bye!
Take a look. Right there. Let's keep going. Yes! This one here. Okay, one more to find.
Hey, Owen? Hey, whoa! Hey! Oh! Uh-huh! Uh-huh! Whoa! Hey! Oh! Oh! Hey, hey, hey! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hup, hup! Hey! Uh-huh! Uh-huh! Yeah! All right! Bye-bye!
Last one. Did you get it? Way to go!
Hey! Hey!
Thanks for playing.
I'm the queen of the dinosaurs. Guaranteed you're gonna hear me roar. Everybody better clear the floor, 'cause you know what I am famous for. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. T-Rex, yeah, I'm coming through. 40 feet long and I got the moves. Stick around, but it's up to you. I think you know what I'm gonna do. Take a look, yeah, my arms are small, but you know I don't need them at all. Cause this smile's got 60 teeth to help me taste all my favorite treats. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Stomp, stomp, find some lunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch. Open your jaws and crunch, crunch.
Coming downstream on the river Styx is a dinosaur who's got a strange name on his lips. It might look kinda mean, but it's all just a show. With a head of horns like that, there's only one name to know.